We associate gardens with life and living things, but dead vegetative matter is important for garden and gardeners too. Dead wood is an important habitat, providing shelter for lots of animals who live in the garden. Log piles such as this one provide a home and a source of food for lots of invertebrate species, including protected species such as stag beetles. But it's not only animals who live on dead wood. Fungi play an important role in garden ecosystems, helping to break down and recycle dead plant material to make nutrients available for new growth. Gardeners can harness and speed up this natural cycle of decay and regrowth by composting. Lots of things can be composted, including food waste, but cooked food can attract rats and other wild animals. The seeds of some tough species of weed can also survive composting, so it's important to keep them out of the heap so they don't end up spread around the garden. Most important is to keep a balance of woody and green leafy materials. These contain a lot of carbon and nitrogen respectively, both of which healthy plants need. In the compost pile, larger organisms start to digest the material into smaller pieces. These smaller pieces have a larger surface area for microorganisms to work on. Microorganisms, including bacteria and fungi, feed on the heap. Their populations increase and the temperature of the heap rises until it becomes too hot for this generation of microorganisms, and others more suited to higher temperatures take over. Turning the heap adds oxygen, which allows the microorganisms to work more efficiently and speeds up the process of decomposition. At the end of the process, you end up with a crumbly, sweet-smelling dark brown compost. Any pieces of vegetative matter that have not been broken down can be sieved out and returned to one of the previous stages. The compost is ready to use. The final product can be used around the garden, where the nutrients it contains can be taken up by the roots of living plants to help them grow more strongly.